Chapter 9.1, Metric Units of Length, Mass, and Capacity. So this chapter we're going to be working with the metric system. Remember that the metric system uses meters for length, grams for mass, and liters for capacity, how much something contains. So please make sure that you write your vocabulary down in your math notebook. Some useful things also, metric prefixes. The metric or the prefix kilo means 1,000. So if you see kilometer or kilometer, kilogram or kiloliter, that means 1,000 meters or 1,000 grams or 1,000 liters. Centi means 1/100th. It is a fraction or a decimal. A 1/100th of a meter is a centimeter. And milli is a 1,000th. A millimeter is 1,000th of a meter. So today we're just going to be choosing appropriate units. So in example 1, choose an appropriate metric unit for the length of a pencil. Well, we know that length is measured in meters. It's my base unit. But I can have kilometers or 1,000 meters, about 2.5 times around an indoor track. A centimeter, 1/100th of a meter, the thickness of a CD case. Or a millimeter, 1,000th of a meter, or about the thickness of a CD. So to measure the length of the pencil, I'm going to use centimeters, or CM as the abbreviation. A kilometer, and a meter are way too long. A millimeter, you could if you really wanted to be precise in your measurements, but a centimeter is going to be the easiest to use. So example 2, mass. Choose an appropriate metric unit for the mass of your math book. Now, mass can get a little trickier. A gram really doesn't weigh very much, okay? A gram is like the mass of a small paper clip. So imagine holding a paper clip in your hand. That really isn't very much. A milligram is 1,000th of that. That's like the mass of an eyelash. You can't even feel that if you hold an eyelash on your finger. A kilogram is 1,000 grams, about the mass of 4 video cassettes. That's dated. You probably don't even know what those are. Okay? So, typically with mass, anything larger than a paper clip, we're going to use kilograms. Kilograms or kg, capital K or lowercase k, doesn't matter. Kg, kilograms for short. Example 3, capacity. We're going for the capacity of a bottle cap today. So a liter is our basic unit. It's about a juice bottle or a soda bottle. Okay, a typical soda is a 2-liter bottle, so half of that would be a liter. Kiloliters, 1,000 liters, 2 to 3 bathtubs full of water. A milliliter, 1,000th of a liter, the quantity in an eyedropper. So not a whole lot. So if I want to choose an appropriate metric unit for the capacity of a bottle cap, well, a bottle cap can be filled with an eyedropper. So I'm going to choose milliliters or milliliters. Now, liters is the only abbreviation that uses a capital letter because a lowercase, is that a 1? Is that an L? I'm not quite sure. So we don't use this one. We always use the capital L. Lowercase m, or in this case a lowercase k for kiloliters, but the L for liters is always capitalized. All right, that's it for example 1, or lesson 1. Go ahead and do your QCs and CYU, and I'll answer questions the next time I see you.